What's up, my homies? Today we are going to be baking up some of my clean and delicious black bean brownies, which you're gonna faux shizzle my nizzle enjoy. First, preheat oven to 350 OF and coat an 8x 8-inch baking pan with coconut oil or cooking spray. Grab yourself a large bowl from the cupboard and mix together ingredients. Combine oat flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder. In a blender, combine black beans, water, maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Blend until everything is combined and the beans are broken down. This will be a very liquidy mixture. Pour the bean mixture into the dry ingredients and mix until everything is well combined. Stir in the nuts and the chocolate chips. Pour mixture into greased pan and pop in the oven for 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center of the pan comes out clean. While the brownies are baking, make your icing by simply combining the unsweetened cocoa powder, coconut oil, maple syrup, and vanilla in a small bowl. Mix until you have a thick, rich chocolate icing. Once the brownies have cooled completely, spread the icing all over the top of the brownies, cut into squares, and enjoy. Peace out, homies.